Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to play Eclectica, a captivating word-based game. It's perfect for 2 or more players, or you can form teams for a lively competition. The game comes with 120 unique cards, along with 4 notepads and 4 pencils to help you keep track of your progress. Get ready to challenge your mind and have some phonetic fun. The core of Eclectica begins with deciphering clues. Each card you draw will feature 3 or 4 distinct clues. Your goal is to solve each of these clues, which will lead you to individual words. Don't worry, the number of letters in each word is helpfully displayed in brackets, guiding your deductions. This initial stage is all about keen observation and word association. Once you have your individual words from the clues, it's time for the second stage, rearrangement and identification. You'll need to combine these words phonetically, listening to how they sound together. Then, rearrange them to form one completely new word, the final answer. The player or team who first shouts out the correct answer wins that round and earns a point. It's a race against wits. Eclectica offers flexible ways to play. A common method is to tackle 1 card per round, with the quickest solver earning a point. For a more intense experience, you can introduce a time limit, perhaps 90 seconds per card, to keep everyone on their toes. Regardless of the mode, the ultimate goal remains the same. The player or team who accumulates the most points by correctly solving cards emerges victorious. Enjoy the challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.